Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Volvo C30 seats, full guide. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid airbag deployment. Locate seat bolts and electrical connectors, unfold seat back to access fasteners, and remove any trim covers with a plastic pry tool. Keep bolts organized in a labeled container, and ask a friend to help lift the seat out safely for inspection or replacement. Begin by sliding the seat to expose both front and rear mounting bolts, then remove rear bolts first for stability. Use a 10 mm socket and Torx bits as needed, keeping each bolt with its matching washer labeled by position. Support the seat while loosening the last fastener to prevent tipping, and examine threads and mounting points for damage or corrosion before proceeding with electrical disconnects and removal. If you're finding this walkthrough helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more car tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep the cabin smelling great while you work on seats. I've added the link and other deals down in the description so you can grab one easily. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. With bolts removed, carefully tilt the seat to access the wiring harness beneath and depress the locking tabs to unplug connectors. Label each plug so heated seat, heater, and airbag connections go back to the correct sockets, and avoid forcing or bending pins. Treat the occupancy sensor and airbag wiring gently, placing connectors in a safe area while removing the seat to prevent damage or inadvertent deployment during reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.